Hey my friends, welcome back to a new video today. I want to talk with you about some of the manifestation blocks which are actually lowering down our vibration so we can't manifest what we truly want. So I want to talk about this because often I see people struggling with changing their lives for the better. And the truth is, like Harry Brown said, that everything you want in life has a price connected to it. There's a price to pay if you want to make things better, a price to pay just for leaving things as they are, a price for everything. And what it means is that often when we want to change certain results in our lives, we'll need to invest our energy into new things, right? We will need to invest our energy into learning about new information. We'll need to change the way we behave, we will need to shift our habits, and we will need to recognize what are our fears which are actually reaffirming to us why we can't have those things. And it's beautiful when we recognize that actually when it comes to price, it's not just about money, it's actually about how we are treating ourselves and things around us. How we are treating our energy, how we are treating our lives, how well we know how to invest our energy, and how well we are aware of when we are just wasting our energy by being distracted with all possible things. So most people truly can't manifest their wanting results because they are constantly distracted. And actually they want to be distracted because it's much harder to do something which requires more time and focus than just to, for example, turn on the TV and just let time slip by. So we need to become aware that the price to pay when it comes to manifesting the wanting results is to shifting our mindset. Firstly, it's not just mindset, but it starts in the mind. To upgrade our minds, to expand our minds with new information. And to me it always helped if I was watching interviews from people which already achieved what I want to achieve. And it helped me to see that, to see what they are doing and how they are different from maybe their behaviors and actions are different from mine, and their way of thinking is much different than mine. So that helped me to see what I need to change, where I need to invest my energy. And it was not always easy, especially when I couldn't see the results. But it's really important that we start investing our energy into what can help us grow, what can help us expand our minds. So my friends, if you feel stuck, always take care of, or firstly become aware of how well you are investing your energy with your focus. Truly reflect how your day is going and recognize at what parts of your day you're losing yourself in distraction and how much time you actually have to learn something new, to educate yourself about the things you want to manifest. Because the thing is, there's truly so many different ways to make more money. There's so many different ways to attract people with whom we can connect on that soul level. And usually all those things happen automatically once we start expanding ourselves and we let go of what is not supporting us anymore. All those things start happening automatically. So this is always the first block, how well we are investing our energy with our focus, with our attention, how much time we truly waste, but we could invest it into learning something. When I'm driving in a car, I'm always listening audiobooks or interviews because there's so much time I often spend in my car. And it's truly amazing like how much choices we actually have to learn something new, or just to waste our time and to entertain us or just to distract ourselves. So always take care of that. Always recognize, because you will see, if you will start applying the things, the information, the practices that people which already have what you want to have did, you will see that your life will start changing in the same way, because now you're getting onto that kind of frequency as those people are, and you will see that everything is a reflection of your present state of vibration. This is important to understand. But then, as I mentioned before, it's not just mindset. It's also about how we feel on the emotional level. And there's where we come to fears, right? Where we recognize, well, why I'm still afraid that having those things is just not possible for me. And of course we can connect everything with our childhood, like people around us told us that those things are just not meant for us. You need to be smarter, you need to be wiser, you need to be more talented, and whatever it is. The truth is that you just need to recognize that everything you choose to experience is meant for you. And when we are choosing what we want to experience, we need to go all in. And once we go all in, we will let go of any kind of a pattern which is reaffirming to us that it's not possible. And once we go all in, we will still feel fear, but fear will never be stronger than will. And often people just quit because of their fears and the reasons why they can't do it. But once we go all in and we say, well, I will make it happen. I will experience that level of abundance because I want to help others. I will build that kind of company because I want to make that kind of an impact on the world, or whatever it is. I want to evolve spiritually because I want to feel more grounded, and I want to overcome my sadness and maybe depression. And I will do everything I can to overcome my present state. Once we decide it so clearly that we'll say, I will do anything that is in my power to the best of my abilities to make it happen, because I know that it's possible, because I know I can do it, you will see that doesn't matter how bad at certain times you will feel, there will always be a voice deep within you which will be saying you that keep up. When you need rest, take a rest. When you need a break, take a break. Relax, recharge your batteries. And once you're ready, go back and follow your path. You will see it's truly, truly amazing. To me, it changed everything. Once I've decided I will go all in. What I'm doing, I will go all in. I want to make a living from doing art, from filming videos, and from expressing myself. And I will go all in, and I did that, and now I'm living that kind of life. And then another block is that we are not clear on what we want. We are not clear. Many people say, well, I want to be rich, well, I want to be happy, well, I want to have beautiful relationships. But how often we truly decide what is that thing that we are looking for? You want to be rich, what it actually means. How much money could represent that state of being rich? And what kind of relationships could actually represent loving relationships? And all of that, right? So we need to be truly clear. And I mean truly clear. When I was writing down my future 4 years ago, I was so precise about in whom I want to evolve, how I want to become even more creative, how I want to always stay connected to that source of creative power, how much money I want to make each month, how many people I want to touch, and so on, where I want to live, in what kind of home I want to live, what kind of car I want to have. I was really, really precise, so I could see if I will become precise, that my life will actually start changing. Because the truth is that most of the time our focus is all over the place. So even if we kinda know what we want, not enough of our energy is at that thing. So if you truly want to manifest something, you need to be so clear that every time you will be thinking about what you want, all your energy will go there, because you know exactly what that thing is, and you can write it on a piece of paper or on a certain card and have it in your pocket, so every time you will touch it, it will remind you about the thing you're working on. It will help you to always stay in the alignment with that thing, and even if the results are not showing up, you will stay consistent, because as I said before, you will go all in. And my friends, if you will do those things, it will truly change your life and you will start getting what you want. And usually at the beginning it takes more time, because normally at the beginning many people just don't believe that it's possible. So we start small. We create some small goals, like today I will meet a person which will gently smile at me, or something like that. Or today I will meet a really kind person, and you write it down, and you go through the day and you become more aware, and suddenly you meet a person which says something beautiful to you, or something like that. And then you go to a certain place and you write down the things, how things will go at that moment. And you see that most of those things happened. And by doing that, you start recognizing, well, you are actually helping to create the results in your life. What if you could become even more precise, and you would write down more details, and you would see more details, and you would become more aware how the events are happening in your life. And maybe you would just recognize that, well, you are truly the creator. And if you truly pay more attention in every single day to just take time for investing it into the future, and as I said, being really precise about how you want to invest it, into what you want to invest your energy, your focus, your attention, you will see that slowly also your energy of your body will start rising, because now you're adapting to the new frequencies of your future. You're like shifting your timelines, and slowly, eventually, you will find yourself at that reality. But the truth is, many things will change. Your habits will change. You will see you can't be the same person anymore. You can't think the same way anymore. You can't hang with same people anymore, because you've become more aware, and you've recognized, well, many people are just pulling me down. Before I thought those are my friends, but now I see those are, how we call them, energy vampires, right? And you recognize, well, I can't be the same person anymore. So that's where we actually recognize that to experience a new life, firstly, we need to create a new self, right? And once we learn to go through that process, we unblock any kind of manifestation block, which is not allowing us to get the things we want to receive. So this is it, my friends. I'm sending you all lots of love, blessings, and power. To everyone who would love to learn to paint with me, go and check out my other YouTube channel. Link is in the description. Art Time is the name. And thanks to everyone for supporting my art in my Etsy shop. I hope you've liked today's painting, and spread some love in the comment section. Let's raise the love here in the community, so we can, awaken more of that beautiful energy which the world needs it the most right now. So let's express some love in the comment section, and until the next time, one love.